There's something truly special about picking lettuce fresh from your own garden. It's a simple pleasure that connects you to the food you eat and the earth it grows in. The act of harvesting your own lettuce is rewarding, and it makes every meal feel a little more meaningful. Homegrown lettuce tastes noticeably sweeter and crunchier than anything you can buy at the store. The flavors are more vibrant, and the texture is crisp and refreshing. You'll be amazed at the difference when you bite into a leaf that was just picked minutes ago. The leaves are incredibly tender, almost melting in your mouth, and you get to enjoy them at their absolute peak of freshness, right after picking. There's no comparison to lettuce that's been sitting in a bag or on a shelf. Store-bought lettuce often sits on shelves for days, sometimes even weeks, losing both flavor and freshness. By the time it reaches your plate, it's often wilted and lacking that just-picked taste. Growing lettuce at home also means you know exactly how it was grown, from seed to harvest. You're in control of every step, ensuring the highest quality for your family. You can avoid harsh chemicals and choose safe, natural ways to care for your plants. Whether you use organic fertilizers or homemade compost, you know your lettuce is as healthy as possible. Homegrown lettuce doesn't travel far. It goes straight from your garden to your kitchen, so it keeps all its vitamins and nutrients. The shorter the journey, the more goodness stays in every leaf. You'll notice a huge difference when you make a salad with lettuce you grew yourself. The flavors are brighter, and the satisfaction of eating something you nurtured is unbeatable. Another bonus is the incredible variety you can try. Grocery stores usually offer only a few types, but when you grow your own, the options are almost endless. In your garden, you can grow red, green, and even spotted lettuce. Some varieties are crisp and crunchy, while others are soft and buttery. You can experiment and find your favorites. Planting your own lets you taste new flavors and see beautiful colors in your salads. Each harvest brings a unique mix, making every meal more exciting and visually appealing. Starting a lettuce patch is surprisingly easy, even if you have just a small space or are new to gardening. Lettuce grows quickly and doesn't need much room to thrive. You can grow it in the ground, in raised beds, or even in pots on a balcony or windowsill. Lettuce is perfect for urban gardens and small spaces. With homegrown lettuce, fresh greens are always close at hand, ready for your next meal. It's a simple way to add freshness, flavor, and nutrition to your everyday life. Lettuce is a cool season crop, which means it thrives when the temperatures are mild and comfortable, not too hot and not too cold. This means lettuce grows best when the weather is in that perfect in-between zone, usually between 45 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If it gets much hotter or colder, lettuce can struggle to grow well. That's why spring and fall are the ideal times to plant lettuce in most regions. During these seasons, the temperatures are just right for healthy, vigorous growth. In most areas, you can start planting lettuce seeds a few weeks before the last expected frost in spring. Lettuce seeds can handle a little bit of cold, so you don't have to wait until it's really warm. You can also plant lettuce again in late summer as the days begin to cool for a delicious fall harvest. This way, you can enjoy fresh lettuce twice a year. If you try to grow lettuce in the heat of summer, the plants will often wilt, become stressed, and may not produce good leaves. The leaves can turn bitter, and the plant may bolt, which means it sends up a flower stalk and goes to seed much too soon, ending your harvest early. To get the timing just right, always check your local frost dates. Knowing when the last frost happens in spring and the first frost in fall helps you plan your planting perfectly. You can easily find this information online, in gardening books, or by asking for advice at your local garden center. Local experts can give you tips specific to your area. Many gardeners like to plant a small amount of lettuce seeds every couple of weeks instead of all at once. This method is called succession planting. It's a great way to make sure you always have fresh lettuce ready to harvest, rather than having it all mature at the same time. With succession planting, you can pick fresh lettuce leaves regularly, enjoying a steady supply for salads and sandwiches throughout the season. Try sowing new seeds often, especially if you and your family love eating salads. This way, you'll never run out of crisp, homegrown greens. Remember, lettuce does not like extreme heat or cold. Too much of either can damage the plants and reduce your harvest. If your spring season is very short, or if you live in a warmer climate where it heats up quickly, start planting as early as possible. Using row covers can help protect young seedlings from unexpected cold snaps. Or, if you want to grow lettuce in the summer, look for special heat-tolerant varieties. These types are bred to handle warmer temperatures and are less likely to bolt or turn bitter, giving you more flexibility in your garden. Good soil is the secret to healthy lettuce. Lettuce needs loose, rich soil so its roots can grow easily. Before planting, dig the soil to loosen it. Remove rocks and old roots. Lettuce likes soil that drains well but also holds some moisture. Mix in lots of compost before you plant. Compost gives lettuce the food it needs to grow quickly. You can make your own from kitchen scraps, leaves, and grass clippings, or buy bagged compost from a garden store. Spread a thick layer over your garden bed, then mix it into the top few inches. Soil should feel soft and crumble in your hand. If it is hard or sticky, add more compost or some sand. This helps with drainage and makes it easier for small roots to spread out. Lettuce grows best in soil with a neutral pH, not too acidic or too alkaline. Most garden soil is fine, but you can use a simple soil test kit if you want to check. Healthy soil means healthy, tasty lettuce. Starting lettuce from seed is easy and fun. You can begin indoors or sow seeds right in the garden. Indoors, fill small pots or trays with seed starting mix. Sprinkle seeds on top, then cover with a thin layer of soil. About 1/8 inch is enough. Water gently and keep the soil moist. Place the pots in a bright spot like a sunny window. Lettuce needs light to sprout. Seeds usually take 7 to 10 days to grow. When the tiny plants have 2 or 3 leaves, they are ready to move outside. If you want to plant directly outdoors, wait until the soil is not too cold or wet. Rake the soil smooth, then sprinkle seeds in rows or scatter them for a mixed bed. Cover lightly with soil and water gently. Keep the soil damp until you see green shoots. Sow more seeds every 2 weeks for a steady harvest. If you're new to gardening, try both indoor and outdoor sowing to see which works best for you. When your indoor seedlings are strong and have at least 2 real leaves, they're ready to move outside. But don't rush. First, you'll want to harden off your plants. This means putting them outside for a few hours each day, then bringing them in at night. Do this for about a week. It helps the plants get used to sun and wind. Choose a cloudy day or plant in the evening to avoid harsh sun. Gently pop seedlings out of their pots. Hold each one by the leaves, not the stem, to avoid damage. Dig small holes in your garden bed, spaced 8 to 12 inches apart for most lettuce types. Set each seedling into a hole, making sure the roots spread out. Cover with soil up to the base of the leaves and press gently. Water well after planting. This helps settle the soil and gives the roots a good start. If you planted seeds outdoors, thin the seedlings when they are a few inches tall. This means pulling out extra plants so the rest have space to grow. Crowded lettuce will be weak and unhappy. Lettuce really loves water, so it's important to keep the soil consistently moist but not, soggy. If the soil dries out, lettuce can become bitter and tough, so regular watering is key to keeping your plants happy and tender. Water in the morning so the leaves have time to dry before nightfall. Wet leaves at night can invite disease, and nobody wants that. Morning watering also helps the plants handle the heat of the day, reducing stress and keeping them vibrant. Aim for about 1 inch of water each week, or even a bit more if the weather's been dry. Use a rain gauge or simply stick your finger into the soil to check for moisture. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water again. Give each plant enough space to spread out. Crowded lettuce grows slowly and might get sick. Good airflow between plants helps prevent fungal diseases and allows each lettuce to reach its full size. Leaf lettuce can be spaced about 6 to 8 inches apart, while head lettuce needs 10 to 12 inches. This extra room lets the heads form properly and makes it easier to harvest without damaging neighboring plants. Always check your seed packet for the exact spacing. Different varieties may have unique needs, so following the instructions helps you get the best results. Protect young plants from cold snaps by covering them with row covers or even old sheets. These covers trap warmth and shield tender seedlings from frost, giving them a better chance to thrive in unpredictable spring weather. If a heat wave hits, some shade will help. A garden fabric or even a patio umbrella can do the trick. Lettuce is sensitive to heat, and too much sun can cause it to bolt or go to seed, which makes the leaves taste bitter. Lettuce grows best when the temperature stays between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. Try to plant during the cooler parts of the year, like early spring or fall, for the healthiest crops. Watch for weeds and pull them out, since weeds steal water and nutrients from your lettuce. Weeds can also harbor pests and diseases, so keeping them under control is essential for a healthy garden. Just keep the area around your plants tidy, and your lettuce will grow strong and healthy. A little extra care with watering, spacing, and protection goes a long way toward a bountiful, delicious harvest. Bolting is when lettuce suddenly shoots up tall and sends out a flower stalk. This usually happens when the weather gets hot or the days get really long. Bolted lettuce tastes bitter and tough, so the leaves just aren't good for salads anymore. To avoid bolting, plant early in the spring or wait until fall. In hot weather, use shade cloth or plant lettuce where it gets morning sun and afternoon shade. Some varieties are slow to bolt. Definitely look for those if your summers are warm. Keep the soil cool by adding mulch, like straw or grass clippings, around your plants. Mulch helps hold in moisture and keeps the roots comfortable. Be sure to water often during hot spells. If you notice your lettuce starting to bolt, harvest the leaves right away and try to eat them before the plant sends up that tall flower stem. Bolting can happen quickly, so check your plants often as the season warms up. There are really two main pests that bother lettuce: slugs and aphids. Slugs are slimy and eat holes in the leaves. Often at night, aphids are tiny bugs that suck sap from those tender lettuce leaves. Both of these pests can ruin your harvest, but the good news is, you don't need chemicals to fight them. To stop slugs, just pick them off at night or set out shallow dishes with beer. Slugs crawl in and drown. You can also sprinkle crushed eggshells or diatomaceous earth around your plants, which scratches slugs and keeps them away. For aphids, spray your plants with a strong jet of water to knock the bugs off. Or, you can make a simple soap spray by mixing 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap with a quart of water. Spray it on the leaves, especially underneath. Ladybugs love to eat aphids, so attract them by planting flowers nearby. Keep your garden clean by removing old leaves and weeds, since these can hide pests. And remember, healthy, well-watered lettuce is just less likely to have problems. When your lettuce leaves look big enough to eat, that means it's time to harvest. For leaf lettuce, just cut the outer leaves with scissors or a knife, leaving the center so it can keep growing. For head lettuce, wait until the head feels firm, then cut it off right at the base. Pick lettuce in the morning when it's cool and crisp. Bring a bowl or basket to the garden and handle the leaves gently. Don't wait too long to harvest, or the leaves might turn bitter. Wash your lettuce in cold water to get rid of dirt and any bugs. Then spin it dry in a salad spinner or gently shake it in a towel. Store your lettuce in a plastic bag or container lined with a paper towel and keep it in the fridge. Freshly picked lettuce usually stays good for up to a week. Enjoy your lettuce soon after picking for the very best taste and crunch. And hey, share your harvest with family and friends. They'll be amazed at how good homegrown lettuce can be.